Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे HAL शेयर के बारे में. एक न्यूज़ आया है उसका इंजन सप्लाई के बारे में. सो HAL नीचे जाएगा और इट विल स्टिल मूविंग अप. ओला IPO ग्रे मार्केट प्राइस देखेंगे, व्हाट इज द करंट प्राइस. मैप माई इंडिया सी इन्फो सिस्टम वर्सेस ओला का जो केस चल रहा है उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. बहुत सारा रिजल्ट आया आज. डिक्सन, देन IOC, NTPC, टाटा कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट and etc. We'll talk about that and see the chart. Maruti is announcing their result tomorrow. So what the analysts are saying and what we should look into Maruti for tomorrow. We'll discuss all of this. Let's get started. So according to a report, Indian Defense Research Wing, that's the reporter, that General Electric, G, who actually supply the engine to HAL, drastically reduced their engine deliveries, right? What is the reason? We'll try to find out, but that's the fact. Without engine, obviously HAL not able to provide the support and supply to their customers. So today, due to this news, HAL slipped over 1%, 1962 a piece. As per the report, that General Electric drastically reduced its engine deliveries to HAL. This American aerospace giant has contracted to supply 99, that's the number, F404 Iron 20 engine for the Tejas Mk1 fighter aircraft in 2021, with the delivery schedule to commence in late August 2023. However, recent developments suggest that substantial shortfall of the promised supply. Instead of anticipated 16 engines, GE is set to deliver only 2 in September, so 14 engine shortage. The delay of engine deliveries is likely to have a cascading effect on the entire production process, potentially the impacting Indian Air Force induction schedule for Tejas Mk1A. The Indian government has yet to officially comment on the matter, but it is expected to seek clarification from GE regarding the reason for the shortfall and the revised delivery schedule. The development underscored the need for India to accelerate its indigenous engine development program to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. Yeah, that's a matter always, but GE, as a renowned company and respected company, we can expect that they will reschedule it pretty soon and this problem will get over. However, since the delivery will get impact, obviously all the quarterly goal and the result and the revenue, everything gonna impact. So keep an eye with this HAL stock in near future. We'll see the chart, how it is performing now. This is the daily chart for HAL, and as you see, this is currently trading in a resistance zone kind of, where it already fell down from the lifetime high of 5633, 5664, and currently trading in 4953. So almost a drastical change already happened here, and as per the analysis suggest, the current target should be 5185 on the upper side. If it fall down after this news, it may take another support around 4729, so around 200 rupees from now. That should be a good buying opportunity. Further, if it fails, then it will be a downfall up to 4000. So keep an eye on this. If this news sustain, obviously we may see a downfall. Otherwise, if government comment and some justified answer provided by G, then we can see a potential upside till the target of 5600. So another 1000 point, 1600 point from now. Next news on MapMyIndia, the CU info system, that share actually jumped today almost 6%, more than that, after the legal notice to Ola Electric for copying their data. So it's in the news for a couple of days now. Actually, the MapL app, MapL API, the mapping system. So Ola had agreement with C info system previously, but recently Ola actually announced that they're gonna build their own indigenous mapping system. But MapMyIndia is saying that they are actually using their system itself. We'll see in details. So MapMyIndia reported sending a legal notice to Ola Electric Mobility, whose IPO is on the way, for the copying its data and reverse engineering its app to make Ola Map. So MapMyIndia alleged that Ola copied data from the company's map for an illegal motive for unjust commercial gain. It actually erupted the day after Ola founder and CEO Bhavish Aggarwal on social media platform Twitter X claimed that the company has exited from the Google Maps, which used to cost company 100 crore per year, and moved to in-house develop Ola Map. By the way, from this allegation, Ola Electric dismissed everything, and they said, we would like to state unequivocally that these allegations are false, malicious, and misleading. Ola Electric stand by the integrity of the business practice. We will suitably respond to the notice shortly. And this all development comes at the time when Ola Electric is in the process to launching an IPO to raise 6,100 crore, and the offer will open for subscription on August 2. So let us see how the grey market price of Ola, and we'll see MapMyIndia chart as well. So this is Ola Electric IPO, and the price is 76. Gray market price is 17. Estimated listing is 93, which is 22.37% up from the expected price. And IPO size, as we said, 6,145 crore, and lot size is 195. So that's the Ola Electric IPO GMP for you. This is a C info system, the MapMyIndia day chart. Actually, in recent past, it's tried to break this level and went ahead with the high, lifetime high of around 2,741. But next time, it actually halted little below than that. So it's a higher low, right? Another higher low is here, and it's gradually getting into the downwards. So immediate support, if it fall down, will be 2250, around 140 price from here, and that will be a good place to re-enter if you are already invested, otherwise for a fresh buy. Or else this is a significant resistance here around 2491, like 2500, which should be in your radar. If it cross, then a momentum should indicate for the further upside. Maruti Suzuki, the largest manufacturer of car in India, launching their Q1 result tomorrow. So Maruti Suzuki consolidating between 13,000 to 12,000 for the past 4 months. Currently, the stock is trading near the critical trendline resistance. We'll see the chart, and there is a crossover between 2050 moving average as well. So these are the analyst prediction that the revenue could grow in the range of 8 to 9% year on year to 35,000 to 31,200 crore, and the net profit could grow between 35 to 36%, that is around 3300 to 3450, helped with the robust sale in the commercial vehicle segment. And the EBITDA margin, that also could increase by 250 to 280 basis points to over 12%. So ahead of Q result, Maruti Suzuki share closed nearly 1% higher, and the stock has gained already 23% this year. So 23% return to the investor already made in this particular year. So this is the day chart of Maruti Suzuki, as we see, starting from this April 2024, right? Now we are on July last. It has tested this particular resistance zone almost 5 times, right? And it has taken the support also in this range for quite a long time. So this is the parallel range Maruti is trading. However, with the good result, there is a chance that it may break this resistance zone and move forward to the recently met the high, lifetime high of 13,300, right? And after that, we can see further upside. In worst case scenario, it may come down and fall to this support level one more time, and that will be a genuine time to accumulate this share. So either way, it may fall 600 points and settle into this support. Otherwise, it break the resistance of 13,000 and move forward for another 300 to 500 points within a day or two. That's the Maruti for you. So after a bad result from HPCL yesterday, today IOC also resulted pretty bad on the net profit side. Net profit plunged 75% year on year. Revenue also down nearly 2%. So IOC, HPCL, both the government oil agency, reported pretty bad result. For Tata Consumer Product, Q1 result, net profit down by 8.2%. Revenue, however, up by 14%. Exide Industry Q1 net profit climbed 15% but misses the estimate. Because of that, the share is down almost 4% today. Market anticipated Ford's Motor Q1 result. Its share is up by 9% today. Net profit rise 68.7% to 115 crores. That's a very good result for Ford's Motor. It should go up in near future, and for a long run, it's a good stock to be accumulated. Yesterday, we discussed about this RVNL order, lowest bidder. So the share is trading a little bit higher today. We'll see the chart. RVNL moving towards the same resistance zone, that is around 645. Yes. So today it ended 614. Yesterday only I said that is the immediate target, another 30 points from now. So let's see tomorrow how it works. For NTPC, Jefferies, the global brokerage firm, actually upheld the buy rating, right? Raised its target price for stock to 485, which was 445 initially. Because of that, NTPC today rise about 5% to hit fresh record high. So NTPC, good potential stock, multi-bagger stock, should be in your watch list, or good opportunity if comes, then good stock for accumulate as well. For Dixon Tech, Q1 result out, net profit 94% up to 133 crores. Revenue also up by 101%. So both the way, excellent result. And revenue from operation actually rose up to 6,579 crores. So we'll see the chart. Day chart for Dixon, heading towards this resistance level, from where it tried level base to break it out around 1200, 600, 645. So it is heading to the same location. So keep it in your watch list. There is a potential up to 800 rupees from this level. Today, Dixon already up by 3%. Let's see some of the more top gainer. PCBL Limited 10%. CAMS back to back 9% today also. Yesterday also it was up by upper circuit. Fine Organic, another good company to watch. Nykaa 9.4. Kansai Nerolac, good company from pain side 8% up. Adani Energy Solution 6.9. Trident 6.8. MMTC government organization 6.1. Navin Floor International 5.6. Deepak Fertilizer once again 5.4. Apar Industry 5.3. And KNR Construction from construction material side is 5.3 up. On the loser side, we have Burun Beverage, good company to watch, 6.4. Keep it in your watch list. If it falls further, could be a good buy opportunity. Alembic Pharma 5.3. CSB Bank after a good result, 4.2 down. Exide Industry could not beat the market estimate, so 3.7 down. Sumitomo Chemical 2.9. Torrent Pharma 2.7. Poonawalla Fincorp. Godrej Consumer, PV Fintech, Greenwell Auto marginally 2 to 3% down. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in next video.